Welcome back, Wolfgang. This is Bush. Today we're going to be talking about a little bit of indexOf and lastIndexOf. These are two string methods used in JavaScript. Again, I love JavaScript. It's my favorite language so far, but I will continue learning more. I comment out, for anyone new, I comment out what we're not using at the time, space out everything so that I don't really like when people type in videos. It makes it kind of hard for me to keep along sometimes, especially with simple videos. So I already have the code written on page, commented out for anybody who wants to copy it down beforehand. So let's start today. We have our string here. This string has words in it, quotations, obviously a string. So I'll go ahead and console log that. So this string has words in it. All right. Now let's take let index letter. We're gonna go ahead and uncomment that. And anyone who doesn't know, comment and uncomment is control backslash when you highlight something. Let index letter. So we're gonna go ahead and determine the position of the first I that appears in our string. So the first I here. So let's go ahead and we will console log that. And it is 2, because remember, when we're looking for positions, we start at 0. So 0, 1, 2. Now let's say you're doing something and you need it to skip the initial position of the first I. Like for instance, right there, say I need it to skip the initial position of this I, and I want it to tell me the position of this I. Well, you can put, you want it to start at 3. And that will give us 8. That is the position of the I in string here. So again, if you would like to start at a different position in your string, you can go ahead and drop a number right here and it will start at that position. Now let's say we want to go backwards and start at the end of the string and move backwards and determine positions of letters that way, or letters, numbers, spaces, anything like that. Anything that can go into a string. So we have index letter string dot last index of I. Let's go ahead and console log that real quick. We get 25. Okay. So let's say we want to pass that I. We're doing the exact same thing. We go ahead and oops, a little backwards, 25. So let's say we want to do anything before 25. So 22 is the next position. So we got the I right there sitting at 22. This one's sitting at 25. And this is just a brief explanation for anybody who needed to take a quick look at indexOf and lastIndexOf. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions or any comments or suggestions or anything like that, please drop them down in the comments. And thank you guys for watching this again. And I hope you all have a great day.